Are you looking to earn extra cash at home? Or earn while traveling as a passenger? A lot of the GPT sites and apps that allow for someone to earn at home are majorly based in US. However, we have solutions that work in many other countries as well. We have two people who tested out some sites and apps, and here is what we recommend. Number 1, YCents. Referral link is in description and comments. YCents is a survey site that allows you to earn in British pounds, euros, and US dollars. There are many cash out options such as Amazon gift cards and PayPal. This is our highly recommended earning site to earn some beer money, as it really works well for those out of the US. The site works very well for those based in US, UK and Ireland. Cash outs are straightforward, starting from $5. You earn US dollars or cents per survey or offer completed, which then you can choose to convert to euros or pounds or simply cash out as is. Number 2, SwagBucks. Referral link is in description and comments. SwagBucks is another site by the same company that made YCents. You earn SwagBucks or SB per survey or offer completed. The offers and rewards are practically the same as YCents. The layout is also practically the same, however, we prefer YCents as it shows actual currency you earn per survey, rather than SB per survey. You earn enough SB which then you can cash out in various forms such as PayPal and Amazon gift cards. Number 3, Attapoll. Referral link is in description and comments. Attapoll app is a survey app that works in over 50 countries, including US, UK, Ireland, India, Australia, Germany and Spain and many more. The cash out options are pretty straightforward, which also includes PayPal and various vouchers. Number 4, Prolific. Link is in description and comments. Prolific is a GPT site that allows you to earn for various tasks set out by clients. Majority of the tasks we encountered were research-based. Many of these tasks came from universities all over the world. The pay rate per hour is much better than most GPT sites. However, there is an application process that could take a very long time for approval, and the frequency of tasks is pretty low outside of US. Another issue is that a lot of the clients are looking for people to do the tasks on a desktop or laptop, which might not be practical for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to use the referral links in the description and comments. That way, we both get bonuses.